That is, what are the functions of these ecosystem? One is productivity. Productivity. There are two types. One is primary, and then the secondary. What is productivity? Means production. It depends on production. What production? Biomass production. Organic compounds produced in plants or animals. In primary, we consider produces plants. In secondary, we consider consumers. And then we have decomposition. Another function is decomposition. In decomposition, there are 5 steps. One is fragmentation. Whatever the biomass produced, that has to be fragmented into the inorganic materials. And then we have leaching. These inorganic materials will be available as minerals in the soil. And then we have catabolism. In catabolism, we specifically observe enzymes produced by fungi or bacteria to degrade or catabolic activity of organic compounds. And then we have humification. In humification, humus is going to be formed. Humus means dark amorphous organic compound. This is very resistant to erosion. And then the last step is mineralization. This mineral will be used by the plants for the production as a nutrient. Move on to the next subtopic. That is subtopic of ecosystem function. That is energy flow. In this, we have tropic level, and then food chain, and then food web. What is tropic level? The specific place occupied by an organism in food chain. It may be a producer or consumer. And then we have a food chain. In this, we have the flow of energy from one tropic level to the another tropic level. We have different types of food chain. One is grazing food chain. This starts with herbivores consuming on plants, for example deer, and then we have tiger. If it dies, then we have vultures or hyenas. And then we have detritivores food chain. Starts with detritivores feeding on dead animals. And then we have food web. Food web is the interconnection between the different food chain. Then let me move to the next subtopic under ecosystem function, that is nutrient cycling. In this, the nutrients exchanges between biotic and abiotic components of an ecosystem, mainly carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus. These are present in the atmosphere. This is in terrestrial. These are two types of this nutrient cycling.